Okay, you are now ready to begin week 8 on muscle mass and strength. These last, let's see, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. These last chapters here, these are the chapters that students really love. Essentially, we've gotten the hardest part of our course over with, particularly the heavy science. Now, there's still science in the course moving forward, but students tend to have a greater level of interest, and so this content doesn't seem to be near as hard. So hopefully you find that to be true for you on an individual basis. So muscle mass and strength, chapter 6 in your textbook. In order to get to this module, you would have, as you can see, the conditions have to make at least an 85% on the quiz for the fatigue module. So this week, in this module, you will study how to use training to increase muscle mass and strength. This is something that a lot of people are always interested in knowing, and it is an important amount of knowledge to have, because maintaining muscle mass and strength is key to protecting us, protecting our body as we age. Something we should all be thinking about now. So the objective, as you can see, is for you to demonstrate your knowledge of the role of exercise in increasing muscle mass and strength, and these are the tasks. So read the chapter in your textbook and then play the following 4 Kahoots, and then you only have 1 quiz again this week. Do continue to go back if you have not earned full credit on any of the previous quizzes, and continue to work through those. All of that is only helping you for your final exam, and just helping you to really master the content. You get out into your profession and you want to know your content. So the beauty of playing the Kahoots is the constant retrieval helps you to master the content, and you really need to have an excellent handle. Again, I just want to emphasize that there is no week 2 check-in 2. I canceled that, and moving forward I needed to just be 1 per group, 1 submission turned in per group. I am about to make another video about some different options that I'm going to allow you guys to choose from, and if you have options beyond what I recommend, then I'm open for that, because I don't want this project to be taking precious energy from you trying to figure out how to make it look the way you are. I want you to spend your time actually building it and having fun with it. I don't have any optional videos for you to review for this week, and so as you see below, the next step, right, is the weight loss chapter, and don't forget that you can use the lounge to ask questions from students in another group. Of course, you can use Remind to talk to people in your group. You can do that as well inside of eCourseWare. There is just not to be any communications pertaining to this course outside of Remind or eCourseWare. Okay, and again, I do that to protect students so that you do not have anyone mistreating someone and I not know it. So here's the link to your Kahoots. Okay, and so as you can see, all of the rest of them for the rest of the semester are up. These expire on November 4th, so I'll set those again, but these are the pins that you need. All right, and here we go. This is where this page here, I guess page 3, yep, is where you start getting into the second part of this term. Okay, so these are the Kahoots. As you can see, they're all built for the rest of the semester, so you're ready to go on that. Okay, and your muscle mass and strength quiz, click that to take you directly to the quiz. And just a reminder about the student lounge, I encourage you guys to maybe ask how other people, when I make this next video about some different options for you to deliver your magazine. I'm going to give you an example. I'm going to let you use a website if you prefer to use Google Sites or something like that. I really am just going to open this up for you guys. Not sure if I'm going to regret doing that or not, but I just feel like you have had enough challenges technically for me to allow them to continue. So I'm doing everything I can to try to assist you, and you guys are sort of the guinea pig for this project, which I keep that in consideration, when it comes time to grade your work on that, okay? So I will not let technical issues impede your grade. Okay, so that is Week 8 overview, we are starting Chapter 6 on muscle mass and strength. Continue to work hard, guys. You are really doing a fantastic job. As always, if you have questions, do not hesitate to give me a call, shoot me a message. All right, have a great week.